Morning to you all guys and dear students. Today 15th September 2020 Tuesday. Have a nice day to you all. Welcome back again to the class. In supplementary reader discuss the story The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. You should read this whole of the portion from your textbook from the story up to the page number 34 to page number 41. She hoped anxiously that this young man had not been tortured. It was at this moment that she observed deep red scars on his neck just under the ear. Up to this last portion, you need know nothing about it. It is now warm. What would be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps? The word meaning from this are like this. You should note down all these word meanings in your fair notebook and read these all passages from your textbook from the story. Scars means marks of wound. Probed means examined closely or searched into closely. Delicately means tenderly. Anatomy means the scientific study of the structure of human or animal bodies. Ignorance means negligence. Cardinal sin means fundamental sin. Thundered means roared. Murder means killing. Precise means exact and accurate. Incisors means surgical cuts. Quivered means shook or trembled with a slight rapid motion. Guts means intestines. Profound means very intense. Feeble means very weak. Paused means stopped temporarily. Vial means a small bottle. Hypodermic means syringe with needle. Fluttered means moved with a light, irregular motion. Perceived means became aware or noticed. Compelled means forced. Apologizes means to forgive. Summon means call or gather. Gasped means caught his breath with an open mouth or owing to pain. Porcelain means white, vitrified, translucent, ceramic. Scalded means rebuked. In trouble means in difficulty. Harshly means severely. Dragged on means pulled on. Courtesy means politeness. Cold means indifferent. The pair means the couple. Hired means engaged. Moss means an aquatic plant. Marred means spoiled or ruined. Velvet means fabric of silk. Pinching means gripping a bird between finger and thumbs. Bleed means to flow blood from a part of the body. Skill means expertise or dexterity. Contemptuously means hatefully. Split means rounded to break. Wine means creep. Fertilizers means growthers. Fate means destiny or luck. Wash up means cleaned. Condemned means proved the guilty of. Traitor means a person who betrays his country. Sentimental means emotional. Impulsive means acting without forethought. Assuage means satisfy a desire. Escaped means broken free from control. Unfinished means incomplete. Dismayed means shocked and disappointed. Inclined means bent. Coldly means indifferently. Grieving means feeling sad. Brusquely means abruptly or offhand. Gracefully means elegantly. Evidently means clearly. Was determined means had made up his mind. Unmistakable means sure. Scars means marks of injury. Crimson means red. Unaccustomed means not familiar of use. Gasping means panting. Utter means speak. Exhausted means tired out completely. Fright means a shock or fear. Get rid of means send away or get free from. Excellency means title of honor. Here, a form of address for the general. Indispensable means absolutely necessary. Expressionless means worried or stolid. Condemned means condemned to death means sentenced to death. Ruthlessness means hard and cruel behavior. Execution means death. Overwhelmed means overpowered. Irritably means with anger, or assassins means killers. Note down these word meaning from the story in page number 34 to 41 in your fair notebook, and thoroughly read this portion from your textbook, and also prepare the previous 3 short answer type questions and try to solve the next other short answer type questions from the story. Nice meeting to you the next day. Have a good day. Thank you.